Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Prequel app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Prequel app. Then here in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next